What is happening? So I'm sitting here doing some work and I get a box and I wanted to open this up on video because I'm always excited when this kind of stuff happens and when I get stuff like this that I've been waiting on to see what it's like, and this reaction is going to be recorded without editing. I even knocked my camera askew. It was a little crooked there. So I'm gonna open this up and I'm hitting all kinds of buttons and all kinds of craziness. This is pretty cool. Okay. Oh, that is much bigger than I thought it would be. I'm understanding the cost now, and that I probably am going to have to re-edit this to maybe a smaller size. However, and maybe change the cover a bit because it is looking a little not exactly like I want it to, but that's what we learn when we do things. And this is interesting how it actually printed out. So here it is. It is the AI Ready Communications Planner. And this is a planner that I put together using BookBolt. I wasn't sure about the 8.5 by 11 size. I wanted it to be big enough to write on, but this might be too big. And to give you an idea, this is a 9.5 inch or 11 inch, 9.5. It's an iPad Pro, and this is the planner. So it's bigger than the iPad Pro. This travels well and fits in my bag. This is more desk size, but this is the proof version. So this is exactly what this is for. The inside came out wonderful. The inside looks nice. So that part I am pleased with. The size did not come out exactly right. Yeah, this is beautiful on the inside. I am loving the layout, and all of the quick start stuff came out right. And the cool part about this is it's got the notes. So the notes came out right. It's got plenty of stuff for January and all the stuff there, and you've got some blank space right here for a little bit of doodling. I planned that like that, and basically you've got your different stuff for your months, and then you've got like January here and all the little weekly goals and plans and milestones and your progress, and then a month-end reflection. So yeah, this came out really nice. And all the pages are right. Everything is aligned. It came out exactly like I wanted it to. So I'm not feeling bad about this at all. It's got an extra couple of blank pages in the back. I'll have to find out about what that's about with KDP there. But on the last page, it all came out correctly. And yeah, I'm super happy with this. And the AI wins log came out correctly on there. So things I'm not happy about. I'm not happy about the size. I think maybe this should be a smaller size, possibly something that's portable. I don't think I need these little things right here on the side, so I may take those out. I think just this. I'm not happy about the color because the color came out kind of matted and not as rich as I would like for it to. But I like the fonts. This is the 2026, the AI Ready Communications Leaders Planner. This is specifically or geared towards comms people and communications people. And it's, where your strategic planning meets AI integration. And it came out well. It came a day early, so I was surprised by this. So the AI Ready Planner, it's coming to you by, hopefully now that I've gotten the proof, and looked over it, and I have some design stuff that I want to do that I'm going to go back into BookBolt and do. And so if you haven't heard me talk about BookBolt before, which you probably have, they helped to design this whole thing, or I did the design for all of this. Like, this is a little bit off center. It should be over just a little bit more. I did all of this in BookBolt. Mostly, some of it in Canva. So the internal stuff, because I didn't use BookBolt stuff for all of that, all of this came from Canva. However, aligning it for the planner and to make sure that all of the KDP alignment was correct and all of that, I use BookBolt Creator Studio for all of that. It's amazing what it can help you do, because it was actually what helped me get this through, because I used the Canva template and it wasn't exactly right and there were some things that were off. So I used BookBolt to pretty much get all of this together. This white border, although I thought that's what it would look like, it is a bit of a surprise to me, and it came out exactly how I hoped that it came out. But I think I'm going to reduce this size to maybe 6.5 by 11. I think 8.5 by 11 is just too big. Yeah, I don't know. That's a big book. So I think it's maybe the right size book, but if I compare it to another book like Alex Hormozi's $100 Million Money Models, it's the same size. It's the same, almost the same footprint. So I don't know. Maybe it does work, because you're going to be laying it out. This is not something I think people are going to travel with. I envision this as you lay this thing out, you write on it, you scribble in it, it becomes the thing that you use to guide you through your AI journey. And I really hope that people get a lot of use out of this. I'll be reworking this. I may leave the size the same, but I'm definitely going to do some stuff on the color of the planner to try to make this a little bit more a rich color or deeper blue. I don't want to go with black because that's not really what the brand colors are. I kind of want to leave everything else the same. I just want to move this over just a little bit more in this back part, make sure that, so you see what's inside, that it moves it over just a little bit. If I include that at all, I may just completely take that off the back cover, because I don't know that it needs to be there, because once you get inside, you'll see what's inside. This really came out nice, because once inside actually is right there, so you can see it right there. This came out well. I'm happy with it. Thanks a lot for hanging in here with me for this surprise. This is an awesome surprise, so I'm super happy with it. I'll see you in the next one.